हेलो माय वेरी एजुकेटेड A3 स्वैग फैमिली। तो आज ये मॉर्निंग का टाइम है, आप देखो कितना सुंदर लग रहा है। अभी मैं आपसे आज जो शेयर करने जा रही हूँ वो है बेला का प्रो सीरीज़ जूसर। आई वॉज ट्राइंग टू सर्च इट फ्रॉम लॉन्ग टाइम, नाउ आई गॉट द बेस्ट वन। सो लेट्स गो विदाउट डिले, आई शो ऑल द इक्विपमेंट्स। सो दिस इज़ माई बेला Pro series, you can see that Bella Pro series juicer, and these are the whole attachments. Let me tell you all the attachments in detail. So this is the juicer, which is having these many settings, 1 2 3 4, and these settings are actually for different usage. If you need to go to for celery juice or some carrot juice and also it has to be go to 5, and then for grapes and some kale and then spinach you can go for 2 or 3, and then for apple and maybe for oranges you can go for 4. So you can get everything into the instructions manual for this juicer. This is the one which you need to fit in here. It should get fitted here. Okay, very easy, not too it's not too rocket science, to be honest. And then this has to go in here. Once that will go, you have to put this is actually work as a strainer and then cutter for this Bella juicer. And then you have to fix in this thing here, so you get the setup, all the setup. And then this is the strainer, I should say. This fix whole attachment together. And ये आपका एक जग है जिसमें आपका जूस निकल के आता है. And you have the cover for this. This is the cover, or maybe you can say the lid, which cover it ताकि कुछ भी इसमें dust ना जाए when you are doing all the juicing, getting the juice out of the fruits and the veggies. This is used to put the pressure on it. Okay, and this is so crucial and very important. This is for the cleaning brush, and if you don't have or you lose this brush, it will be really difficult to clean the whole strainer inside and the cutter. So this is the whole attachment, and it is very easy, very simple to do all the attachments. ये है मेरा Bella Pro Series juicer. इसका आपको एक ये लेड है, इसके अंदर आपका जूस ड्रेन होके आ रहा है. ये आपका पुश करने के लिए है. एंड देन ये आपका अटैचमेंट जिसके अंदर सारा का सारा आपका छिलके हो गए या फिर आपका पल्प हो गया वो सब निकल के आएगा. एंड देन अगर आप इसको ओपन करोगे लाइक फ्रॉम हियर, इफ़ यू ओपन दिस, ये आपका कटर और स्ट्रेनर है. एंड here we have 1 2 3 4 5 settings, so you can go for harder like veggies and then carrots and celery, and then you can go for small pulp like 1 or 2. You can set the settings, you can get everything here. This is really very helpful for me. So let me quickly show you how I am going to use it and how I'm going to take the juice out of it. So here I have orange and then apple. I know everybody, my educated A3 swag family, they know that apple is the bestest antioxidant. So I'm going to take the juice out of this. And this is bottle guard. Everybody know that this is also a very good source to make your heart very healthy. So एक बार हम लौकी का जूस भी आपको निकाल के दिखाएंगे. And this is my whole setup. Now let's go. नाउ मेरा ऑरेंज एप्पल जूस भी रेडी हो गया है, और ये है मेरा लौकी का बढ़िया वाला जूस, जो कि बिल्कुल भी टेस्टी नहीं है, बट बिलीव मी इट इज़ गुड फॉर योर हेल्थ.